first PU online classes. Today we will discuss the motion of. Today we will discuss what is here motion of center of mass. Motion of center of mass. Listen here. In the yesterday class, we have discussed what is here. This is a center of position. Here, what is here? Center of mass of the position vector. Here, the center of mass of the position vector. Yesterday, we have discussed. That is, we have written what is here. RCM bar is equal to. This is here what is here? Position vector of center of mass. RCM bar is equal to, we are written what is here, M1 R1 bar plus M2 R2 bar plus M3 R3 bar plus dash 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 Mn Rn bar by. This can be written as a, here what is here, this is can be written as M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus dash dash dash, what is here, plus Mn. Right, in the last class we have written this one. Now this is here position vector of the center of mass. Now this is RCM bar is equal to M1 R1 bar plus M2 R2 bar plus M3 R3 bar plus dash 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 Mn Rn bar by, here total mass. This is M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus dash 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 Mn. That can be written as the total mass of the system here. Now multiply the cross multiplication I am making here. This is I am written as a M into RCM, I am multiplying here. M into RCM is equal to M1 R1 bar plus M2 R2 bar plus M3 R3 bar plus Mn Rn bar. Here we consider the system of n particles, that is having the masses M1, M2, M3 dash 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 Mn. Their position vectors are the R1 bar, R2 bar, R3 bar dash 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 Rn bar. So we are written as a, here position vector of center of mass RCM bar is equal to, we are writing this formula. Now this M1 plus M2 plus M3 dash 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 Mn is replaced with capital M. So capital M multiplying here, M into RCM bar is equal to M1 R1 bar plus M2 R2 bar plus M3 R3 bar dash 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 Mn Rn bar. Now this is giving to the equation 1. Now equation 1, here differentiating equation 1, we are making the differentiation. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to t. With respect to t. Here t means time. With respect to t we get. Now differentiating this one. How to differentiate this one here? d by dt of I am written as a m into, what is here? This is I am written as RCM bar. d by dt of m into RCM bar is equal to d by dt of, here every term I am differentiating with respect to t. Directly I am writing d by dt of m1 R1 bar plus d by dt of m2 R2 bar plus d by dt of M3 R3 bar plus dash 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 d by dt of Mn Rn bar. Here this is a differentiating with respect to t, we are getting this equation. Now here M is a mass, total mass is a constant, that is taking outside. Now this is taking outside, remaining differentiation. Here what is there? D into RCM bar by dt is equal to, this can be written as Here what is here? M1 into dr1 bar by dt plus m2 into dr2 bar by dt plus m3 into dr3 bar by dt plus so on. Here what is here? Mn. Mn also what is here? Mass is a constant taking outside drn bar by dt. Okay. Right. drcm bar by dt. This is what is here? drcm bar is what is here? This is a position vector of center of mass. This position vector of center of mass, drcm bar by dt is called as what is here? Position vector of the center of mass. This position vector of the center of mass differentiating with respect to t. RCM bar is called as a position vector of center of mass, that is differentiating with respect to t. Here this is a drcm bar by dt is called as a, this is called as a here velocity of the center of mass, vcm bar. Vcm bar is called as a velocity of center of mass. Similarly, dr1 bar by dt is a velocity of the first particle. Similarly, what is here? dr2 bar by dt is equal to v2. V2 is the velocity of the second particle. Here, this is similarly we can write here dr3 bar by dt is equal to v3. So on d, what is here? rn bar by dt also. drn bar by dt is equal to, can be written as what is here? vn. Now, this is a here velocity of the first particle, this is a velocity of the second particle, this is a velocity of the third particle, this is a velocity of the nth particle. Here when differentiating the position vector, it can give the velocity. Now this is I am written as, we can take the drcm bar by dt is equal to vcm bar. So we can write that equation, m into vcm bar is equal to, can be written as, what we are getting here from this, m1 v1 bar plus m2 v2 bar plus m3 v3 bar plus so on plus mn vn bar. This is a mn vn bar. Now this is given to the, here what is here? This is, we can give the equation number 1. This is give the equation number 2. That this is the equation number 2. Now here from this velocity of center of mass formula I am writing here, vcm bar can be written as, this is a velocity of center of mass. Vcm bar is the velocity of center of mass is equal to m1 v1 bar plus m2 v2 bar plus m3 v3 bar plus so on mn vn bar by here this is total mass m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus so on plus mn. Here this is called as a here velocity of the center of mass of here n particle system. Velocity of center of mass of the how many particle system? Here this is n particle system. Vcm bar is equal to m1 v1 bar plus m2 v2 bar plus m3 v3 bar dash 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 mn vn bar by m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus so on mn. Right, this is for the n particle system. For 2 particle system, how to write this equation? Next to this is n particle system, I am modifying this way also this equation. Here we can write like this also. Vcm bar is equal to, we can write here this is sigma I equal to 1 to n mi vi bar. Sigma I equal to 1 to n mi vi bar by, what is here? Sigma I equal to 1 to n mi. Right, this is, we can write like this also. Here vcm bar is equal to, now this is can be written as sigma I equal to 1 to n mi vi bar by, this is here sigma I equal to 1 to n mi can be written as total mass of the system m. This is, we are representing the another way of what is here? Velocity of center of mass. This is for the formula for the n particle. Here this is a formula for the what is there n particle system. For 2 particle system, what we have to write? For two particle system, velocity of center of mass can be written as velocity of center of mass VCM bar is equal to m1 v1 bar plus m2 v2 bar by only two particles, m1 v1 bar plus m2 v2 bar by m1 plus m2. This is for the here what is your two particle system. This is a formula for the two particle system. Right. Next again differentiating equation 2 with respect to t. First equation 1 we are here what is the differentiation with respect to t, we are getting what is their velocity m into here what is their VCM bar, we are formula we are getting. Now again we are differentiating equation 2 with respect to here what is here with respect to t. Here with respect to t we get with respect to t means again we are differentiating with respect to the time. This is the equation 2. Now equation 2 differentiating with respect to t, what is I am writing here? Now I am writing here d by dt of, I am writing the equation m into VCM bar is equal to, here each term differentiating with respect to t. What is here? D by dt of m1 v1 bar plus d by dt of m2 v2 bar plus d by dt of m3 v3 bar, m3 v3 bar plus dash 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 d by dt of mn vn bar. Now this equation I am changing like this. Now here what is here? This is a mass taking outside, mass is a constant. Here what is here? D by dt of VCM bar, d by dt of VCM bar. Here also mass taking outside, m1 into here d by dt of, what is here? D by dt of v1 bar or d by dt of v1 bar. Next what is here? m2 taking outside, here m2 into d by dt of, what is here? v2 bar plus m3 into d by dt of v3 bar plus so on, what is here? mn into what is here? d by dt of vn bar. Right. Now what is I am writing here? m taking outside. This is what is a differentiation of velocity of center of mass. Velocity of center of mass differentiation with respect to t means what is there? Here what is there? Differentiating of the velocity with respect to t is gives the acceleration. Change in the velocity with respect to time is called as what is there? Acceleration. So d by dt of VCM can be written as ACM bar. Means what is there? This is a here acceleration of the center of mass. Now acceleration of the center of mass is equal to m1 v1 bar plus, this is m1, here d by dt of v1 bar. D by dt of v1 bar means this is a differentiation of velocity with respect to time. This is the velocity of the first particle. First particle velocity differentiation is gives the acceleration. So what is I am writing here? m1, here what is here? a1 bar. a1 bar is the acceleration of the first particle. Now what is I am writing next? m2 into a2 bar plus m3 into a3 bar plus so on. Here what is here? mn into an bar. Here this is the acceleration of the d by dt of v1 bar is gives the acceleration of the first particle. This is the acceleration of the second particle. Here d by dt of v3 bar is gives the acceleration of the third particle. Now from this I am written as a m into ACM bar is equal to, here what is I am writing here from this formula? Here we are getting m1 a1 bar plus m2 a2 bar. From this we can find the here what is here? Acceleration of the center of mass. Acceleration of the center of mass ACM bar formula can be written as m1 a1 bar plus, here this is I am given to the equation number 2 is completed. This is given to the equation number 3. Okay. Now from this ACM bar is equal to m1 a1 bar plus m2 a2 bar plus M3A3 bar plus so on. What is here? Plus MnAn bar by, here what is here? This is capital M. This is I am written as a capital M here. Now from this, here what is here? ACM bar is equal to, here what is I am written formula? I am writing the formula M1A1 bar plus M2A2 bar plus M3A3 bar plus so on plus MnAn bar by, what is I am writing here? M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus so on plus Mn. Right? Now this formula I am representing another way also. How to represent we can here? Now this is I am representing in the another way. Here what is I am writing here? This is ACM bar is equal to, can be written as a, here M1A1 bar plus M2A2 bar plus M3A3 bar plus so on MnAn bar by M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus so on Mn. This is I am writing like this. Sigma I equal to 1 to n Mi Ai bar by sigma I equal to 1 to n Mi. Okay, we are writing like this. Now what is here? Sigma I equal to 1 to n Mi Ai bar by, this can be written as M. M is called as a total mass of the system. This is we are representing the another way of acceleration of the center of mass. Okay, acceleration of the center of mass. Now next we can take the from equation 3. What is I am writing here? From equation 3, here what is I am writing here? This is M into ACM bar is equal to M1A1 bar plus M2A2 bar plus M3A3 bar plus so on MnAn bar. Here this is mass into acceleration of the first particle. Mass into acceleration is gives the force F is equal to Ma. From this I am written as a M into ACM bar is equal to F1 bar plus F2 bar plus F3 bar plus so on plus Fn bar. Right, this is a force. Here force acting on the first particle. This is force acting on the second particle. This is force acting on the third particle. This is force acting on the nth particle. Now from this we are saying that from this equation, this is given to the equation number 4. Here from equation 4 we are concluding that the product of the mass into the product of the total mass of the system and acceleration of the center of mass. The product of the total mass of the system and acceleration of the center of mass is equal to the vector sum of the total forces. Vector sum of the total forces. It is what is the addition. Addition means vector sum. Vector sum of the total forces acting on the system of particles. Total forces acting on the system of particles. I am writing now here the product of total mass of the system and the product of total mass of the system and here the product of total mass of the system and mass of the system and acceleration of center of mass. Acceleration of center of mass is equal to the vector sum of total forces acting on system of particles. From this equation we are concluding that the product of total mass of the system and acceleration of center of mass is equal to the vector sum of the total forces acting on the system of particles. Right. Next, listen here. Next here, this is what is here the equation 4. Here in these forces F1 bar, F2 bar and F3 bar dash 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 Fn bar. In these forces, some forces are the external forces. Some forces are external forces. Some forces are, which forces here? External forces. We know that here the product of the total mass of the system and acceleration of center of mass is equal to the vector sum of the total forces acting on the system of particles. Acting on the system of particles. In this, here what is here? Total forces. Some forces are external forces. Some forces are internal forces. Internal forces. Now, these internal forces are, here what is here? They are acting in the, they are equal magnitude. They are acting in the opposite direction in the equal magnitude. They are cancel each other. Internal forces are cancel each other. Means they exist in the form of pairs. So they cancel each other. They are acting in the opposite direction. They cancel each other on the, what is here, on the system of particles. Now internal forces are cancel with each other, but external forces do not cancel each other. Means in these forces, some forces are internal forces, some forces are external forces. Internal forces are cancel with each other. Means internal forces are cancelled with each other, means remaining which forces are there? Only external forces are remaining is there. Means here internal forces are cancelled, only external forces are remaining. That's the reason I am written as a formula here m into, here what is I am writing here? ACM bar is equal to, we are written as what is here? F external bar. F external bar. In this F1 comma F2 plus F3 so on Fn. In these n forces, some forces are internal forces, some forces are external forces, but internal forces are, here what is there? Acting in the opposite direction. They are acting in the form of pairs. Pairs means they are equal magnitude, but in the what is their opposite direction, they are cancelled with each other. Means internal forces are cancelled with each other, means remaining which forces are remaining is there? Only external forces is there. So that is the reason I am writing here m into ACM bar is equal to F external bar. In this F1 comma F2 comma F3 in the so on, internal forces are cancelled, only remaining external forces are exist. Now m into ACM bar is equal to F external bar. We are writing here this equation. This is given to the equation number 5. From this we conclude that here the center of mass moves if, when center of mass is moves here, the center of mass is moves if total mass of the system, total mass of the system is concentrated at that point, means at that point means total mass of the system is concentrated at the center of mass, and external forces, total external forces, total external forces we apply at that point. When the center of mass is moves here, the center of mass is moves. From this equation we are saying that the center of mass is moves, or the center of mass is in the motion. The center of mass is in motion if total mass of the system is concentrated at that point. Means total mass of the system is concentrated at the center of mass, and the total external forces we apply at that point. Means the total external forces we applied at the center of mass, then only the center of mass is in the motion. Here from this equation we are saying that m into ACM bar is equal to total external forces acting on the system of particles. Means total system external forces acting on the system of particles we apply at the which point here? we apply at the center of mass. When we are applying at the center of mass, the center of mass is in the motion. Here from this equation we are concluding that the center of mass is moves. The center of mass is moves if total mass of the system is concentrated at that point and total external forces we apply at that point. When the total external forces we are applying at that point, the center of mass of the system will be in motion. Right. Next, this is what is here meaning of the motion of the center of mass. Means the center of mass is in the motion. When center of mass in the motion, the total mass of the system is concentrated at the center of mass and total external forces we applied at that point, then only the center of mass comes into the motion. Right, this is called as a motion of center of mass. Next, we will discuss the linear momentum of system of particles. Linear momentum of system of particles. Listen here. Linear momentum of system of particles. We know that already we are written in the equation 2. In the previous topic, in the equation 2 we are written, what is we are written here? M into VCM bar is equal to M1 V1 bar plus M2 V2 bar plus M3 V3 bar plus Mn Vn bar. We are written this one. Now, here from this is mass into velocity. This is also mass into velocity. This is a mass into velocity of first particle. This is a mass into velocity of second particle. This is a mass into velocity of third particle. That is mass into velocity of nth particle. We are considering the n particle system. In this n particle system, this mass into velocity represents the momentum. So what is I am writing here? M into VCM bar is equal to, here what is here? P1 bar plus P2 bar plus P3 bar plus so on plus Pn bar. Right, this is given to equation number 1. From this equation 1, we are concluding that the total momentum of system of particles, here P1 plus P1 bar plus P2 bar plus P3 bar plus dash 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 Pn bar is gives the total momentum of system of particles is equal to the product of, this is equal to the product of total mass of the system equal to the total mass of the system and what is here? Velocity of center of mass. Velocity of center of mass. Now M into VCM bar is equal to P1 bar plus P2 bar plus P3 bar so on plus Pn bar. Now from this we are writing here, this is M into VCM bar. Now this M into VCM bar I am written as a, this is mass, total mass and velocity of center of mass. It can use the, here this is a, what is here? Momentum of center of mass. So what is I am writing here? This is a, here PCM bar is equal to M into VCM bar. M into VCM bar can be written as PCM bar. This is a total mass of the system is multiplied with velocity of center of mass. It means this is mass into velocity gives the momentum. Here total mass of the system is multiplied with velocity of center of mass is gives the, here what is here? Momentum of center of mass. Right. Now what is here? This is a PCM bar is equal to M into VCM bar. This is given to the equation number 2. Now this is equation 2. differentiating with respect to t, with respect to what is here t, we are differentiating with respect to t. Now what is the equation we are getting here? This is dPcm bar by dt is equal to, this can be written as d by dt of m into Vcm bar. Now what is I am writing here? dPcm bar by dt is equal to m taking outside, remaining is dVcm bar by dt. Okay. Now this dVcm bar by dt can be written as change in the velocity of center of mass. So change in the velocity is called as an acceleration. So dPcm bar by dt is equal to m into Acm bar. This is a change in the velocity of center of mass is called as a acceleration of the center of mass. So m into Acm bar. Already we know that m into Acm bar is equal to, we are written in the, what is here in the motion of center of mass, we are written here m into Acm bar is equal to, can be written as F external. We know that m into Acm bar is equal to F external. So from this we are getting here dPcm bar by dt is equal to, we are written as what is here F external. Now this is given to the equation number 3. Okay. Here for isolated system I am consider. For isolated system means there is no external forces acting on the system. For isolated system, means no external forces are acting on the system. No external forces are acting on the system means m into Acm bar is equal to F external bar. Now for isolated system means no external forces are acting on the system. No external forces are acting on the system means F external bar equal to 0. Right. F external bar is equal to 0 means dPcm bar by dt is equal to 0. We know that here dV by dt is equal to 0 means V equal to what is here constant when integrating on both sides. Here dA bar by dt is equal to, dV bar by dt equal to 0 means V bar is equal to constant. dA bar by dt equal to 0 means A bar equal to constant. Here integrating on both sides we are getting A bar is equal to constant. Similarly here also dPm bar by dt is equal to 0. dPm bar by dt is equal to 0 means what is the constant here? Pcm bar is equal to constant. Okay. Now Pcm bar, already we know that here Pcm bar can be written as m into Vcm bar. Mass into velocity of center of mass. M into Vcm bar is equal to constant. Okay. Now Pcm bar is equal to m into Vcm bar is equal to mass into velocity of center of mass. Here momentum of center of mass can be written as mass into velocity of center of mass. Mass into velocity of center of mass is constant. When taking the mass here, mass is a constant. Constant is divided with constant, again getting the constant. So what is we are getting here? Vcm bar is equal to constant. Here from this we are saying that velocity of center of mass is constant if net external forces acting on the system is 0. When external forces acting on the system is 0, the velocity of center of mass is what is here? Constant. When velocity of center of mass is constant, external forces are acting on the system is 0. Or no external forces are acting on the system. External forces acting on the system is 0 means what is the meaning of this one? When no external forces acting on the system, the velocity of center of mass is constant means, or the velocity of center of mass is moves with constant velocity. Velocity of center of mass is moves with constant velocity when external forces acting on the system is what is here? 0. So from this we are concluding that here velocity of center of mass is constant, or velocity of center of mass is moves with constant velocity if external forces acting on the system is 0. Here this is the meaning of Vcm bar is equal to constant. Okay, thank you. We will continue in the next class.